My name is Asad Madni. I got my bachelor's at UCLA in 1968 and my master's in 1972. Electronics was really part of electrical engineering uh, as a sub-discipline of electrical engineering. And so that's why I went into the electrical engineering department here, which in those days, by the way, was known as electrical sciences and engineering, in order to really specialize in applied and systems, in applied and electronic systems. It allowed me to straddle into various disciplines, and as technology started becoming more and more interdisciplinary, the basics of electrical engineering were applicable to all these different evolving technologies, from intelligent sensors, intelligent systems, MEMS, nanotechnology, and all the way up to bioinfo and nanotechnology. It's a fantastic decision that I took to go into the electrical engineering department. I may not have understood the full value of it at that point, but electrical engineering is fundamentally the foundation of most of our advanced technologies today. Whether it's nanotechnologies, MEMS, robotics, material science, whatever intelligent systems we are creating today are foundationally based on electrical engineering. So electrical engineering is a discipline which allows you to transfer to many majors and many disciplines, while the opposite is not necessarily true. And over the years, my career progressed. I became the Chief Technology Officer as well as the President and Chief Executive Officer of 2 Fortune 500 companies. I led 2 mergers, and in 2006, my final company, BEI Technologies, was acquired by Schneider Electric for $600 million. At that point, I decided to retire. I'm on the faculty now at UCLA, Electrical Engineering Department, and I'm very active with the United States National Academy of Engineering. Perhaps the most important memory is when my son, Jamal, came here in 2006 to do his graduate studies, and each time I'd bump into him in the buildings, and it was really surreal to see him walking the direction that I used to walk in, going to the same buildings and the same labs that I used to. And I think that was probably the most rewarding and the best memory that I can possibly imagine. The 3 of us, my wife, myself, and my son, have been very involved Bruins, and UCLA is really a part of our life, and it's something that I cannot put a dollar value on. It's priceless. On a personal basis, UCLA has recognized me in more ways than I think I deserve, from being the 2004 Alumnus of the Year for the School of Engineering, to the 2010 Lifetime Contribution Award for the School of Engineering, 2013 Service Award, and the 2002 UCLA Professional Achievement Medal. So it's given me a lot of recognition. It's brought me on its faculty and has always treated me with the utmost love and respect, and I'm most grateful for that. Most of the time that I spent was at the Foreign Student Center when I was a young undergraduate student, because that's where us homeless people all met together to celebrate, get to know each other, and little did we realize how important that would be in terms of building our understanding of cultural appreciation for different countries, different peoples, and eventually help us in understanding the organizational behavior in our corporate organizations. Do not be afraid of engineering. There is a tendency for our teachers to teach engineering from an equation and mathematics standpoint, rather than inspiring the students in terms of recognizing what really are the contributions that they can make. My advice to them is to stay focused, take an interest in STEM education. Electrical engineering is a great major, and stay focused, because you will eventually, with your creativity and with the foundation that you can receive in a place like UCLA, you can affect human destiny in more ways than you can possibly imagine at this point.